Creating high quality ads used to be one of the biggest bottlenecks in e-commerce. You had to order product samples, hire photographers, UGC creators, edit videos, design graphics, and by the time everything was finally ready, you'd spent hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars before you knew if a product was even gonna sell. But AI is completely changing that. Today, I'm gonna show you how I create viral image ads, video ads, and social media posts in just a few minutes using AI. We'll start with the product, build multiple creative angles from scratch, and by the end of this video, you'll have a complete workflow you can use for your own brand. So let's get right into it. So here's what I constantly see with e-commerce stores that aren't converting the way they should. The product's fine, the pricing's fine, but the store looks like it was built by someone who was in a hurry, because it was. And I get it, when you're running a store by yourself, creative is always the thing that falls behind. You spend your time on product research, ads, fulfillment, customer service, and by the time you get to make this look good, you either don't have the budget to hire someone or you don't have the time to learn design yourself. So you grab a stock photo, throw your logo on it, and hope for the best. The problem with that approach is it's the creative that does the selling. Your ad is the first thing a customer sees before they ever reach your store. Your product image is what makes them stop scrolling, and your brand consistency is what makes them trust you enough to hand over their card details. So if this part is weak, it doesn't matter how good everything else is. You're losing sales before the page even loads. So what I've been using to fix this and what I'm going to show you guys today is something called Lovart. So here's what Lovart actually is. It's not just an image generator, it's a full AI design agent, which means instead of giving you a tool and making you figure out what to do with it, it actually produces the design result for you. And one of the things I like most about Lovart is that everything happens on a single infinite canvas. So instead of bouncing between an image generator, a video editor, Canva, Photoshop, and 5 browser tabs, your entire creative workflow lives in one place. And as we build this brand today, you'll see every asset appear on the same canvas. From our brand kit and product photos to our ads, videos, and social content. It becomes a visual workspace rather than just another AI tool. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole workflow using a portable blender as our example product today. We're gonna build everything from scratch. Brand identity, product visuals, ad creatives, motion ads, and social graphics, and I want you to watch how fast this actually goes. By the end of this video, this blank canvas is going to become an entire marketing campaign. So the first thing I do before I create any creative assets is build the brand kit. This is the step most people skip, and it's exactly why their store ends up looking inconsistent. In Lovart, the brand kit is where you lock in your colors, fonts, visual style, and logo direction. Once it's set, every asset you create after this point automatically pulls from it. So that way, you're not manually matching color codes every time you design a new graphic. So go ahead and upload all of these details for your own brand and watch what it generates. And this is just so much faster than starting from scratch every single time. All right, now let's talk about product visuals. This is where Lovart does something that used to require a photographer and a studio. I'm gonna take a basic product shot with a plain background and nothing special, and I'm gonna turn it into something that could actually be a hero shot on a product page. So here's this basic product image I have to work with. It's fine for now, but it's not gonna stop anyone from scrolling. So I'll upload this into Lovart and I'll give it a high quality prompt describing everything I'm looking for. And let's see what it comes up with. So it's gonna go ahead and start by thinking through the task that you just gave it and then generate all the design images that we're looking for. Now look at that. Same product, same shot, completely different context. It looks like a brand actually spent money on this. So here's our premium lifestyle image. It preserved it exactly as it was in our product photo, but placed it in a bright luxury marble kitchen setting. This is exactly what I was looking for. Now I do like this overall image, but I want to make one specific adjustment to this. I think it would look stronger with warmer morning light and a few more berries around the blender. So instead of generating a completely new image and hoping it gets everything right, I can edit only the part I want to improve. So you can open up the editor and type in exactly what you want out of this. I'll say add warmer morning sunlight and add a few more berries around the blender. We'll click run and see what it comes up with. And here's the new version of our image. I like this one so much better. I'm really happy with this result. This would make for a perfect product hero image on any product page you build. And it can make any adjustments that you want to for any image you create within just a few seconds. And here's the part that saves a real amount of time if you're listing on Amazon or building a product page. I can generate multiple angles and contexts from this single image. Front shot, lifestyle shot, detail shot, flat lay, all from the one photo I just started with. Now we're gonna build actual ad creatives. This is where the infinite canvas really starts to show what makes Lovart different. I'm not creating one isolated ad and downloading it into a folder. I'm building an entire campaign around the assets we already just created. Watch how this canvas starts filling itself out. So I'll go back to the original first image we just created, and I'll go ahead and type in a high quality prompt for our actual ad creatives right here. I'll say, using this premium lifestyle image as the source, create 3 unique high converting e-commerce ad creatives for a consumer product brand. And then fill in all of these additional details down here about your product and exactly what you're looking for. So I'll enter that and see what it comes up with. So all 3 are generating right now in the same canvas, all from the same brand kit that we uploaded in the very beginning. And this is what makes the infinite canvas so useful. Instead of generating one asset at a time and downloading everything into different folders, I can see the entire campaign coming together in one workspace. I didn't have to re-enter my colors, re-upload the product, or rebuild the visual direction. It's all already connected. And here's the 3 image ads that it just came up with. These are all high quality. I could run these all on my own ad account tonight, and we generated each one of these in just a few minutes. And you guys can see the entire canvas that we've made right here. We have our original creation, then the new one that we came up with, all of our hero shot images, and then all the ads we created down here. And you can change anything that you want to in any one of these ad creatives. So for example, we can edit the text right here. And for this first headline, I want to replace blend, fuel, thrive with, let's say, blend it, bottle it, go. So I'll type all of that in, I'll click run, and let's go ahead and make those changes. And it went ahead and changed the headline for us. So instead of blend, fuel, thrive, we have blend it, bottle it, go. I like that a lot better. And you guys can adjust anything that you need to for each one of these ad creatives until you have something that's completely up to your standards. And when you have all of these customized to your liking, you can export any one of these that you want to and start running them tonight. And that's a complete ad set. You have 3 different formats for your one brand, all built in under 10 minutes. Now, this is the part that surprises most people, because video ads outperform static image ads on almost every platform right now. But most solo store owners don't have video content. They either can't film it, can't afford to produce it, or don't have the time. But Lovart actually has a feature that can turn any of your static images into a video ad. Let me show you how. So I'm gonna select the video generator down here. So select the image that you wanna work with, go ahead and type in your prompt, select your model down here. I'm gonna use Seedance 2.0 for the best results. Select your duration, we'll do about 7 seconds. Select your video format. I'm gonna do 9:16 so we can post this on TikTok and Reels. Select your quality, whether you want audio, and go ahead and generate your first video ad. So it's gonna take a few minutes to generate from the photo that we already came up with. I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when it's done. All right, and our first video is now done. This literally just took a minute or 2 to complete. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it came up with. This actually looks amazing. I love the light, the visuals, how high quality this actually is. That's a video ad from a still image. No filming, no editing software, no motion graphics team. Let's say I like the result, but I didn't like that fruit movement in the very beginning. It seemed a little unrealistic. Because honestly, this feels like a perfect video, but that fruit movement in the very beginning with the strawberry and the blueberries right there just seems a little bit unrealistic. So we can go ahead and change this. So I'll go ahead and select the video. I'll click on the remix tool right here, and I'll just say remove the berry movement from the beginning to make it appear more realistic. We'll go ahead and type that in and see what it comes up with instead. All right, here's the new version of our video right here. And as you guys can see, it fixed that fruit movement in the very beginning and actually cleaned everything up and made this a little bit more high quality. Let's compare these two. So we got that, zooms in slowly, has that unrealistic fruit movement and moving all around. I do like the way it pans the camera angle at the end there. I like the way it starts shifting the scene, showing the sunlight, showing a little bit out the window. This one just goes straight at the blender, gives you a close up, a zoom in on the actual product and all the fruit and the smoothie and everything else. So honestly, both of these videos right here are very high quality. You could run each one of these videos on its own ad and test it out itself. So I'm gonna go back up to the top of our canvas and select that first high quality product image we created. And I'm gonna turn it into a high quality Instagram post as well as a story that we can start posting on our own accounts today. So I'll type in my prompt and we'll see exactly what it comes up with. So there it is. We have an Instagram post and an Instagram story. Both of these are on brand and they're ready to publish right now. And like I already showed you guys, you can make any changes that you need to on either one of these. You can edit the text, You can edit the visuals or anything to do with each one of these images. So I'm gonna select this original product image one more time, and we're gonna come up with a high quality website banner now. So select the image you wanna use, type in your prompt, and let's go ahead and create a high quality hero banner to use on our website. And here's your website hero banner. This image looks perfect. You could throw this on your website homepage, and you're gonna have a high quality branded website using all the visuals we just created today. This makes building a brand that stands out from everyone else so much easier. So look what we've built in one session: a brand kit, a product hero image, a 3-format ad set, a video ad, 2 social graphics, and a website banner. That's a full creative library for a product launch, all visible in one connected workspace. And the whole thing stays consistent because every asset pulled is from the same brand kit and creative direction. So hopefully this video showed you that creating professional marketing assets doesn't have to be the bottleneck that it used to be. We started with a single product photo, and in one workflow built a complete brand identity, product visuals, image ads, video ads, and social media content, all without jumping between 5 different tools. If you're launching a new brand or want to come up with more ads to test, this is definitely something worth trying. And if you want to try out Lovart yourself, I'll leave a link for you guys down below so you can create your free account and follow along with everything I just showed you today. And if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.